Once you have assembled the ladder rack on the ground, you will need 2 people to lift the rack onto the load and go. Do not attempt to install while the load and go is on a vehicle. The ladder rack will sit on the unit awkwardly, but that is okay for now. We will need a tape measure, clamps, and a Expo dry erase marker for this next step. At least 1 bolt will need to be inserted into these cross braces. Make sure not to tighten them down yet. This allows the installers to be able to move the mounting brackets during the installation. This is a critical step during the installation. When mounting the ladder rack, you will need to measure from here to here, as well as from here to here. This is to ensure that your bolt doesn't intersect the shelving braces. It doesn't matter where you start with the ladder rack. For this installation video, we'll begin on the right box, to the right of the load and go's drawer. Measure 2 inches in from the side of the box and position your mounting bracket there. Use an Expo marker to mark the holes. You will repeat this process on all of the boxes. It's advisable to use clamps to secure each mounting bracket while drilling. This ensures they're flush to the unit and provides accuracy when installing the rack. Thread the bolts that secure the mounting brackets to the ladder rack, but do not fully tighten them before bolting the mounting brackets to the unit. Leaving them loose at this stage will prevent cross-threading when final assembly occurs. After drilling all the holes, use the clamps again to hold the mounting brackets in place while you thread the bolts through them. Once the mounting bracket bolts are fully tightened, proceed to tighten all the remaining bolts on the unit. Having 1 person slightly lift the front of the ladder rack during this process will make alignment easier and ensure the bolts seat properly. Thank you for watching. Please reach out with any questions or concerns during your installation. Make it a great day.